Are you a gardener? Do you love gardening? Or are you thinking of becoming one?
Hey, I'm Mohammed
I'm Tawhida from
Epic
Epic
Kitchen Garden, and we'd love helping you start your own little garden.
Yeah, you heard it right, your own little garden.
On this channel, we'll help you start your own kitchen garden from scratch.
You will receive unique tips and tricks which will make your gardening life easier, exciting, and more fun.
We believe kitchen gardening is very healthy, therapeutic, and soothing, and we would love to share our journey and connect with like-minded people all around the world. If you're passionate about gardening, hit the subscribe button below and turn on notifications, and let's start this beautiful journey together.
Happy and healthy gardening.